Retire like a genius. 5 genius strategies to get the max out of your 401k. 401k plans have become the most common option for workers to save for retirement. They allow for pre-tax payroll contributions, employer matching funds, tax-deferred growth, and as workers get older and closer to retirement, they can increase their contribution levels. So, here are 5 strategies to get the max out of your 401k. 1. Tax yourself before the government does. 401k contributions come off the top of your paycheck before taxes. So consider this a way to be your own IRS, taxing yourself with savings for the future. The goal should always be to max out your contribution levels throughout your career and at least make sure that if your company offers matching funds, you're contributing up to the level that you'll get the full match back from your employer. Don't leave that free money on the table. 2. Start early and contribute as much as possible. Starting in 2025, new employees are automatically enrolled in a 401k plan if available and would need to opt out if they're not going to participate. But please don't opt out. The golden rule for 401k contributions is to push yourself to take advantage of every pre-tax dollar possible that you can put away for the future. 3. Resist taking money out before retirement. As you get older, do all you can to make sure you're putting away the maximum amount allowable into your 401k and don't rate it like a piggy bank, which will subject you to taxes and penalties. The money you're saving will be growing tax-deferred and with compounded interest throughout your retirement. Leave it alone to grow, and as you get to retirement, you could be sitting on $1 million or more. 4. Don't target a dollar amount for retirement. Focus on replacing a percentage of your income. Working towards retirement should be a very high priority from the moment a person gets their first job. The target for retirement should not be a specific amount of money saved, but the ability to replace a percentage of your income for the rest of your life. The ideal retirement income replacement target level should be 70% of your peak income. Remember, the earlier you start saving, the more your money will grow. A person who starts saving in their 20s could conceivably have a 7-figure net worth by the time they're in their 40s or 50s. But if a person waits to start saving for retirement until age 35, they would need to save about a quarter of their income over the rest of their working years to hit that 70% income replacement mark. And if they wait until the age of 45 to start saving for retirement, they would need to put away almost half of their income to hit that level. 5. Don't worry if you get a late start because you can supersize your catch-up contributions. Establishing a solid framework for retirement includes income from savings and investments, so max the 401k contributions and then take advantage of increasing your savings when you hit the first age for catch-up contributions at age 50, and then once you're between the ages of 60 and 63, your catch-up contribution levels go up again. You can start to draw down on your savings without penalties by the age of 59 and a half, but you can also leave your savings untouched until you hit the age of 73. At that point, you have to start taking required minimum distributions, or you would be facing tax penalties. The ability to supersize contributions is an amazing opportunity for people to catch up from what they have missed putting away when they had to deal with the financial realities of raising a family. Being able to retire today with security and comfort boils down to one critical factor: savings. A 401k plan is the best available financial tool today to prepare for your future. Retire like a genius. It's always best to work with information and experts to help you navigate these tricky issues. So visit Retirement Genius today to learn more about how to retire like a genius.